The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is a stylish and powerful smartphone with a sleek design and flat edges that feel premium. Its 6.72-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with 680 nits peak brightness delivers vibrant colors and sharp images. The phone's Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, 8GB RAM, and expandable storage make it perfect for gaming. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G runs on Android 13 with Oxygen OS 13.1, known for its user-friendly interface and optimized for gaming, allowing the phone to handle high-end games smoothly without any lag. The 108MP primary camera with 3x lossless zoom captures stunning photos and videos, while the 16MP front-facing camera captures clear selfies. The 5000 mAh battery with 67-watt Super VOOC fast charging allows you to charge your phone from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes at Rs. 19,999 for 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and Rs. 21,999 for 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. The Nord CE3 Lite 5G offers excellent value for money.